Still looking for 2 cards for Lindsay. Hey, boys. Mind I told you about that elephant that I'd adopted when the zoo started up its new scheme? I went to see it last weekend. It was beautiful. I never realised that an animal so big could be so gentle. I killed it, boys. Killed my elephant.
Oh, not another one, Fiona Hen.
It left me and the elephant on our own for a wee while so we could get to know each other better. So we decided to have a wee game of frisbee. I threw the frisbee to the elephant. The elephant caught it in its trunk. It was a precious moment. But then I got overexcited, boys. I did, and I slipped on a big mound of animal choppies. That must have distracted the elephant, because instead of catching the frisbee in its trunk, it swallowed the frisbee and it stuck in his throat. I've seen some tragic sights in my time. An elephant choking to death and a frisbee must make the top 20. Big Dumbo. He took his time going down. You would not believe the sound a trunk makes when it wheezes. I'll never forget it. But I'm just going to try and put it out my mind. I've got a new video to watch tonight. Cheer me up. It's one I've never seen before. It's called Schindler's List. I'll tell you about it tomorrow, boys.